Hey, so I was just down looking at some stone options for myself and for some clients, and they gave me a lot of good information about the different types of stone that you can actually put in your kitchen. So the best apparently is quartzite. It's not quartz. Quartz is the man-made version of quartzite. Quartzite is the natural stone itself. And apparently that's the best, most durable. You don't need to like reseal it. It can withstand different temperature variations, that kind of stuff. And granite is supposedly, if you subject it to different temperature variations, it can crack. My interior designer actually that I'm working with, who's been great at I Spy Homes, she has marble in her house and she loves the look of it, but she always tells me how she always has to put down padding or mats to put down, like, hot plates or anything that might run or have stains on it. She always has to reseal it every year as well. So she said it looks beautiful, but the maintenance is terrible, and you always have to put stuff down on top of it, otherwise it stains and it doesn't withstand temperature as well. So if you're thinking about redoing your kitchen, I hope that helps.